In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Time Doctor account, whether you're moving on to a different tool or simply no longer in need of Time Doctor services. This guide will walk you through the deletion process clearly and confidently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you're comfortable with. In the search engine, type Time Doctor and press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Time Doctor website, which is usually the top result. Alternatively, you can directly enter the URL timedoctor.com into your address bar for a quicker route. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. This is a crucial step since you must have access to your Time Doctor account to proceed with the cancellation. Enter your credentials and hit the Login button. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is where you manage all account-related options. You'll find a variety of tabs here, but for today's task, you'll need to focus on the Billing section. This is where you'll find all your billing details, including subscription info and payment methods. Within the Billing section, you'll see the option to Cancel Account. Click this button to initiate the account deletion process. This step is key if your current subscription is active. However, if you are on a free trial, be aware that the cancellation option won't be available. Free trials don't include this feature, so if you're on a trial and wish to stop using Time Doctor, you might need to wait until it expires or contact support for assistance. Now, if the cancel option is visible, go ahead and select it. A prompt will appear asking you to provide a reason for your cancellation. Choose the reason that best reflects why you're leaving, and then click Cancel Account one more time to confirm your decision. At this point, if you have any second thoughts or change your mind about the cancellation, don't worry. Time Doctor offers an option to reverse this decision by contacting their support at support@timedoctor.com. Simply reach out to them, and they'll guide you on how to undo the cancellation request. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete your Time Doctor account. Remember, it's always good to think it through before canceling any service to avoid disruption to your workflow. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.